Hello and welcome to today's video. And in today's video, we're going to be looking into a new project, a project called HexHash. HexHash. And HexHash is a decentralized credential data network. And we're going to be looking into what it is, credential data networks, and how a HexHash is building and trying to affect it and revolutionize it for the blockchain industry, the crypto industry, using blockchain technology. So this is the website, and I will leave a link in the description for your own research. I encourage you to check them out by yourself. So this is the website, and this is a website review of what they are about. So this is the website. So I want to come to the website. It says Web3 infrastructure to power the future of credential data networks. So they are aiming to build infrastructure that will affect the future of credential networks, data network, credential data networks. So, and that's what they are trying to build. They're going to build a blockchain where developers can, or a platform where developers can develop new DAPPs and affect Web3 change. So if we proceed, let's see their mission. Say that our mission is number one, adoption. Secondly, Web3. Thirdly, community. And lastly, to learn and earn. So if you come to the adoption aspect, what are they hoping to increase the adoption of? To empower everyone to participate in different activities, learn and earn crypto rewards. Okay. So by adoption, they are meaning adopting their own ecosystem, implementing their vision, and make it general to all that heard about it, to be involved about it, so that in essence they succeed. Secondly, they are interested in building Web3 to provide developers with extensive and customizable Web3 tools, data tools. So you see, they are trying to build a platform for the development, and this is still the early days of this project. And that's why it's important that you look into it by yourself and see whether it's something you like. It's something. It's a new project that is beyond Bitcoin and what Bitcoin is doing, and what Ethereum is doing, what Shadow is doing, or what Su network is doing. This one is Hex Hash. They're trying to build an infrastructure, and this is still the early days. So, thirdly, say they are going to focus on community building, and to community now to form a dedicated crypto community that can engage, learn, and help to develop community, a focused ecosystem, a community focused ecosystem. And lastly, learn and earn. So this is their mission, what they are hoping to build, and they are starting about. They are hoping they already have quite a following, because if you check out their Twitter handle, they already have 14,000 followers. Their Telegram is even bigger. The same thing, their Discord. The links are available, and all these are available to be seen. So, if beyond that, let's see what they are also building. The features of this infrastructure they are building. Infrastructure that will affect the credential data networks. And these features is number one, building the Hex Hash ID. This Hex Hash ID is a digital infrastructure, a digital ID type, just like having your credentials in the centralized system of the government. This one now is not in the government, or neither is it centralized, but a decentralized digital ID for you to. Okay, let's learn more about it and see what it's all about. If you talk about credential data networks, HexHash ID, so that HexHash ID users can keep and display their credentials. As if you want to showcase your who you are, your credentials, or where you have served, what you have gained, your experiences improving their experience, you can have a username that identifies you across many wallets and blockchain with HexHash ID. So this HexHash ID identifies users across many blockchains and across many wallets. So digitally, this becomes a user ID that can identify someone in the digital space and decentralized. Say your accomplishments and your credentials from Web3 can be displayed. Additionally, developers can use the HexHash ID toolkits to provide users with personalized features. So you get the idea of what they are trying to do. This is one part of their features. This is the so the other part of the features or what this project is building is the DAPP hash features. We have on one part of the features we have hash ID. The other part of the features we have they are trying to building hash DAPPs. So this DAPPs now is the other aspect of it. We have seen the ID. The ID is like a digital tag in the blockchain that identifies anybody that wants to be identified across many blockchains. So secondly, building DApps with this platform, this HexHash. So now say verified HexHash partners will be able to launch dedicated Web3 decentralized apps. You can launch DApps on this platform by the time they are finished on HexHash blockchain, further increasing engagement and growth. Dedicated HexHash DApps are developed based on their particular requirements with greater flexibility and integration across different networks. So they are hoping that the DApps that will be buildable, they are going to make their own platform with more, let's say, flexibility in terms of you will not be restricted in the type of DApps you will be limited to build. You're going to be flexible to build all sorts and all kinds. So I see it as an intelligent approach and something that is interesting. Anybody that is into building, trying to follow a team from ground up, I encourage you to look into this project. It's one good one. So that's it about their features. So we've seen their mission and the feature they want to build. And then lastly, we are going to their tokenomics, the HexHash tokenomics. So that tokenomics, they say initial bounty distribution. They're going to distribute 5% in bounty, then 25% to team, 40% to ecosystem treasury, then private sale will need 10% to go to private sale, then community gets 20%. So you see they have a place for community 20% much. Private sale is just 10%. So they are something they are interested. So next thing is their timeline. This one's already done seed round is the fourth quarter of the last year. First quarter this year, infrastructure development. First quarter, which is already, and community growth is already ongoing and finished. The beta version in Q2 quarter and bug hunt. So in Q3, they have official launch and new function implementation. So this where we'll be summarizing this review today. Other things to consider is the hype behind it. See their Twitter and their Twitter following. You check it out. You see they already Market Watch is already writing about them. And if you click it and see what they are writing, you see new Web3 protocol Hex Hash has been released to power the future of credential data networks. So a lot of things are available about them to read on. So we'll leave some link in the description for you to check it out. So thank you for watching and God bless you.